Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to activate eSIM on iPhone. Firstly, navigate to Settings, then Cellular or Mobile Service. Then tap Add eSIM. Select the Use QR Code option and scan the QR code from your provider's email. If scanning doesn't work, tap Enter details manually and input the SMDP plus address, activation code and confirmation code. Now tap Continue after scanning. The phone will begin activation. This may take a minute or two. Once activated, you should see signal bars at the top of your screen. A message like eSIM activation complete will appear. Now tap the new eSIM in Settings, then Cellular. Tap Label to give it a name like eSIM.sm or Travel SIM. Still in Settings, then Cellular, under Default Voice Line, select your primary SIM. Then in Settings, Messages, Send and Receive, and Settings, FaceTime, choose your primary SIM. Tap on your eSIM plan to enable the data roaming, and if still in the eSIM settings, tap Data Mode, then select Low Data Mode to prevent background data usage and preserve your data allowance. And that's it guys, your eSIM is now set up and ready to go. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.